last thing I've ever had. Honestly, any fresh fruit, any eggs, anything like that. And I was like, nah, brother. I learned my lesson last time when I passed in Vancouver. They threw away a bunch of chicken, a bunch of eggs, a bunch of fruit. He's like, what do you do for work? And how much cash you got? And he's like, I don't want to fucking work today. Get the hell out of here. I got other shit to do. So, blessed. These small border crossings are the trick. I was so nervous all day today. So, glad that that's sorted. Yo! Alright folks, welcome to another adventure. This is the mission. This is the mission that I planned. It took me three years to get here. It was a lot. It was a lot. Being here is actually a lot. My back really hurts. I tweaked my back last Monday. I wasn't sure if I was going to set off today. I was going to see how I'm feeling, but it's gotten a little bit better. So we're going to just aim to go for it. There's really... You can get a chiropractor anywhere. It is what it is, and it ain't what it ain't. We're here, we're on the road, I'm feeling good, we're in good spirits. Ivan's incredible, it's a beautiful day out. We'll catch you guys later. I've had a busy couple of weeks, and so because of that, I haven't had a chance to fix the drone from the Arctic mission. I had a propeller that I broke. I think maybe the cold air snapped it, and then I'm gonna fix that. I just had some lunch. I've been driving since about noon today. Actually, I've been driving since 10 o'clock. So about 6 hours of driving today. I made it across the border, so that was really nice, as you saw earlier. I'm trying to dial in the van for more filming and just better, more exciting angles and things like that. So clearly it's raining. I'm trying to make it to downtown Bozeman. I've never been to downtown Bozeman, so I just want to go see what it looks like. But I think I'm gonna post up somewhere around Bozeman, because this rain that's down here in town, about 20 kilometers that way, it's snow. And they're saying there was a couple of signs there to have snow chains. So that's the Walmart. That's probably where we're gonna sleep, to be honest. All right, folks, we are in Bozeman. Almost lost my backpack here. We're gonna go to a little cafe for the day, get a little bit of work done, and go from there. show you around Yellowstone. I came through here last time and honestly, it was equally underwhelming. Like, it's really pretty, but it's really hard to photograph. So hold on a second, I got a bird here. This is called Mammoth Hot Springs, and it's on the north side of Yellowstone. I stopped because I wanted to have some lunch, dinner. I guess it's like 5 p.m., but we're gonna continue on and see what else we find tonight, and hopefully we find a good spot to sleep in the park illegally, because that's kind of what I do. So we'll see how that goes. It's pretty cool. This is called Emerald Springs. It's in the Norris section of the park. Norris Geyser Basin, something like that. We're gonna do a quick little loop just to bust it out, but we're losing light here, so I don't know. It looks pretty cool though. I brought my camera just in case. Look at that, holy. Check this out. So it's the world's tallest active geyser, unpredictable and frequent major eruptions of more than 300 feet. We're gonna wrap it up here at that was the Porcelain Spring. That was really cool. This is the Norris Geyser Basin. We saw the Steamboat Geyser. Lots of different names, lots of different things. There's some bubbling water over there, but it's too dark to shoot. I wish there were some clouds in the sky, I'll tell you that. Look at that, it's just the bluebird, or pink bird. Some kind of bird. Look at that, man. Unreal. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of like what a work day kind of looks like for me. I am currently still in Yellowstone. This is where I slept last night and the night before, and surprisingly I didn't have much issue. No rangers came to knock, and that's really the most important part. So why the heck is my microphone not working? Made it to Jackson yesterday. I didn't really vlog yesterday. I'm right now just driving past the Tetons. I slept in this area last night. It was a lovely sleeping, just like a little pull-out parking lot. Great spot, really quiet. This morning was a little bit busy. I think everyone came to, all the photographers and their girlfriends, you know, came to grab their bangers of the Grand Teton Golden Tips. It was very short-lived. There's a lot of cloud action in the area right now, and there's a rain cloud coming through, and it swallowed up the sun, and so you're only getting tips on like a really far portion of it over there. Otherwise, you're not really getting tips. We got a banging drone shot, and so I feel very accomplished by that. So I'm gonna go have a shower, gonna go have a coffee, I gotta do some like dishes, and I gotta like just like get organized for the week. And then I gotta drive to Colorado, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it today, but we're gonna aim for a chunk of it, and just kind of see where we land from there. Yeah, so anyways, that's all I got. I will catch you guys on the flip side.